We're on the 23rd floor,
Yes.
so we have to take the elevator now.
You definitely have to take that.
Yeah.
Today, we will show you where to find warehouse shopping like Costco and Sam Club. That make a big differences if you want cheap pricing because the grocery store in malls generally have outrageous prices. I also will show you our $22 apartment in Cebu City. Okay, here we go. So we arrived in Cebu, Philippines after 11 years for me and 30 years for Dan. And let's check out our apartment first. This apartment is one of the apartment I love it in the Philippines. Check it out. So this is the entrance here, and Dance is here. Hello.
Hey, how are you, Chum?
Good. So we have a fridge here, and also you can cook here as well. And they have this water boiler. The best thing is they have a washer here. It's the first time I have a washer in the Philippines in the apartments. Crazy. Some more is a Samsung brand. Samsung brand for the smart oven as well. Pot and pan is very good. You can see. Very nice. Love it. I love this place. And then next, I bring you to show you the toilet. Well, it's just it's just normal toilet, but it comes with the water heater. Hello. Very nice. These have a very nice kitchen area, or call it living room here. You know, they have partitions, and then the separate bedroom and the kitchen area, which is very nice. And the design is very nice. And this is our bedroom. Wow. Check it, the view first. Here, they have the down here is a Subo market. It's a night market, food market. All the food is over there. And then they also have people can go for listen to the live music in that side, the white side over there. And then they have Ayala Mall over there. We have a very good view here. Very nice view here. Amazing. And this is our bed, and the bed is very comfortable. Nice, you know, decorations and everything. And they also have a Netflix on the TV, which is nice. The internet here is 355 download speed, and then it's about 50 to 60 upload speed, which is very good. I love it here. This place, this area is remind me of a small BGC in the Metro Manila because this is the IT part, so they have a call center here, and the people is working 24 hours, so some of the food in the restaurant, I hear that the driver say it's a 24-hour, and it's just nice. I just believe the Starbucks here is 24-hour. So wow, I just cannot believe it. It's very nice because in Philippines, most of the mall and the restaurant, they close very early, like 9 o'clock. The latest is 9 o'clock. So these choices here. Wow. So right now we are going to the Lander supermarket, which is you need to have a membership to go there. So it's my first time to go to this kind of the shopping mall. So let's check it out. I love the elevator have the mirror so I can check. Our apartment here, and we are going for McDonald's breakfast. Very nice place. Faster, because the McDonald's is closed at 10, I think, for the breakfast. It have a travel agency and have a barber, haircut, and massage, and best thing is coming. Very nice here. Love all the buses around here. I think you can take a buses here to go somewhere else. A McDonald's just next to us. Oh, thank you. But we need to go very fast because the breakfast is closed at 10, so we want to catch the breakfast time. Hello. So we managed to get our breakfast before 10 o'clock. And let's enjoy the breakfast first. Very hungry. I know I'm always hungry.
You're like you're empty inside. I don't know where all the food goes.
Last night when we arrived, and then I have one squid sisig, and then I have another 1/4 of lechon.
So she had 2 dinners.
Yeah.
And you had 2 lunches yesterday too.
Oh yes.
You ate my lunch because I'm vegetarian on the boat. And you ate the food we came with too. So.
Morning breakfast. Perfect, we have 50% discount.
Yes, like 17.
So first you come here for register a membership. Like this one, waiting.
350 pesos. It's like $6.50 or something.
Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning. Here we are at a membership place called Landers.
First catching my eye is the alcohol. Let me check.
They have a cab here. Wine for like $8 or something. $8. All kinds of choices. Oh, they even have a non-alcoholic wine if you want that. Need a TV? Here you go. Oh, AC. This is like a Costco. Well, here's the wine section over here. It's like $11 for a bottle of wine.
Washing machine, 25,000. Cool. Fridge and everything. Wow. So in here you can buy the fridge, whatever size that you want here.
I like to be educated, but I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance is bliss. Take me back to before the noon. Rewind, take it out of cue. Innocence can be a young man's game. Signed up for the hall of shame. I wish I knew how much I miss not knowing that we're all screwed.
Mouthwash is 2 for like $9, but I mean it's 1 for $9, 2 for like 11 or 12 or something. But the problem is we're carrying it around with luggage, so we can't save that money. Okay, these places are great if you live somewhere, but if you're like us and you're traveling around, everything is in big packages, or 2 for the price of 1, or 2 for like 140% of 1. and so it doesn't really make sense because we're, you know, one backpack, one checked. So when we're on the ground, it's a little better, you know, like if you're on a bus or something instead of airplanes, because they don't charge you for luggage, but you still have to lug it everywhere. So that's our dilemma. These places are great when you're stationary, but
everything here is big here in the Philippines that compared with the normal shopping we have in the Philippines.
Yeah.
This really opened my eye. It's like very easy for me to shop.
yeah. You mean the sizes of the products?
Yeah,
or?
the size of the product.
Yeah. Well, they do have cheese here.
I believe we will make a pasta.
They have some feta cheese here.
Yeah. For $329.
$5, $5.50, something like that. For cheese. What do we got here? All different kinds of cheese. Yeah, this is like Costco in the US. Which the prices are tempting, but
It's not sugar free, huh? We're trying to find a less sugar, or sugar free.
I don't see much sugar free.
Less sugar free?
No,
Yeah.
I'm sure it's here somewhere. They always have it.
Yeah.
All the naughties are here.
This one is 178.
Just plain saltine crackers. They're called Sky Flakes here. Like $2.30 or something. Yeah, 2% milk.
It's from Australia.
It's,
$2.
This is the detergent section. This will be fun to watch what she buys. Normally she doesn't buy big things of detergent. She buys these little ones that are easy to carry.
Okay, I'll get the packet one.
Yeah? Which
Yes.
one? One of these?
Yeah, one's this.
She did what I thought. She's gonna buy the small packets that she finds in more local stores. Each one of these
Oh,
is, they're like $4.50. So these are a good deal. I'm just gonna get two. $2.
$2. Okay, get one for my wine. Wheat pasta. Classic olive oil is 337. Extra virgin olive oil is 429.
These are, they're soybean, right?
Yeah.
And you just throw them in a bowl and let them thaw, and you eat them like you do when you're having edamame at a Japanese restaurant.
This I see this is called, the ice cream is vegan ice cream. Very funny.
That means it's not
Milk.
It's not milk. Yeah,
Yeah.
it's probably coconut or soy or something else.
Yes. I'm going to check the vegetable. Oh, wow. Plant-based. Beef salad. Although they have fruits and vegetables here, we recommend to shopping in Carbon Market, which is the local public market for the best quality and price on your produce. Thank you so much for watching and stay tuned for the next video, Carbon Public Market in Cebu City. See you then. Bye bye.